So if your battery is draining too fast, or maybe you need a hardware battery change, you may need to reset your battery Samsung. So here is a way of doing this. First of all, open up your phone dialer. Now we gotta enter a code, which sounds like *#9900#, and we will be put in this secret menu. So in this menu, we're to scroll down until we'll find an option labeled as Battery Stats Reset. Here it is, Battery Stat Reset. So simply tap on this option, and as you see, Battery Stat Reset done. It means that our battery data has been resetted. Keep in mind that this process removes all battery data. This might cause your device to behave incorrectly. After we did it, I strongly recommend you to hold your power button, to summon your power off menu, and to restart your phone. After the restart, charge your phone from 0 to 100 and then discharge it back to 0% so the system can recalibrate the battery information. This helps your device to display the battery level correctly and may extend its lifespan. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.